para curar mi corazón, a la mente dejarla fluir, para el espíritu elevar y dejarlo llegar al fin. Yo no nací sin causa, yo no nací sin fe. Mi corazón pega fuerte para gritar a los que no sienten, así perseguir a la felicidad. Voy a crear un canto para el cielo respetar, para mover las raíces de este campo y hacerlo brotar, para mover las aguas, el veneno verde que hay por ahí, para el espíritu elevar y dejarlo vivir en paz. Yo no nací sin causa, yo no nací sin fe. Mi corazón pega fuerte para gritar a los que nos mienten, así perseguir a la felicidad y así perseguir a la felicidad, que es un derecho de nacimiento, es el motor de nuestro movimiento. Porque reclamo libertad de pensamiento, si no la pido es porque estoy muriendo. Es un derecho de nacimiento, mirar los frutos que dejan los sueños en una sola voz y un sentimiento, y que este grito limpie nuestro viento. Voy a crear un canto para poder exigir que no le quiten a los pobres lo que tanto les costó construir, para que el oro robado no aplaste nuestro porvenir, y a los que tienen de sobra no les cueste tanto repartir. Voy a elevar mi canto para hacerlos despertar, a los que van dormidos por la vida sin querer mirar, para que el río no lleve sangre, lleve flores y el mal sanar, para el espíritu elevar.
Hey! Alright, that's a way better entrance. Alright. Much better. Alright, so today is a big day. Today is a big day because I start a new project. I start a project I've been wanting to start for years. Since almost 2016. I actually checked the date. Hey Archers, hey Queer, what's up? Alright, so I've been dreaming up a project since I was like 16 years old. Actually, funnily enough, I have mock-ups from that time, right? I'm gonna find them. I called it Diode back then. Shitty code name. So, in 2016, actually I was 15, because it's before my birthday. But I made a mock-up for a project called InkFeed. Go get your domains on Pork Bun. Alright, so this was done in 2016, and then recently I took a look at Medium, and I took a look at this, and I saw this, and I tried to read something, and then you saw this, and on mobile you saw this, and you could barely read anything, and I hated it. I hated the reading experience on Medium. I thought this is just a load of bullshit. It's a total load of bullshit, honestly. So I decided, you know what? I'm gonna take the best of Medium and make a platform for ideas. Because what I like about Medium is ideas. There's a lot of interesting ideas in there. Ideas that, if they were better curated, and not necessarily on Medium per se, like, come on. It could be a great platform. So, I started working on a few mock-ups. Hold on, I gotta get rid of my gum. Give me a sec. Ah! There, it's gone. Perfect. You did not have to see that. Have I fixed the Stream API? I have, actually. I forgot to tell you about it. But yes, it works. The thing is, my platform will not be developer oriented. It will be more news and ideas. It's very hard to explain the concept because I haven't come up with a nice pitch yet, because I'm still in the idea phase. But it's not like Dev.2 at all. It's not. It's not developer focused. It's not developer oriented. It's never meant to be like that. Although there will be section for that. But I think the best way to say it is just to go through my notes. InkFeed is an idea aggregator. Feature ideas and news from around the web, and maybe even user-generated content that ranks highly, right? So there's going to be, this is the pitch. InkFeed is the hub for ideas, where every voice counts and you'll find great reading material daily, right? So there's going to be a few main elements. Number one, links and submissions. Links will be fundamental to InkFeed, because I don't want to be a platform that hosts content, that hosts writing. I don't want it to be a medium, because that's not really what I'm looking for it to be. I want it to be decentralized, right? More like a Reddit model. Users can vote on links and curate their content, news and ideas mainly. Ideas being, for example, long-form essays or interesting stuff, like interesting ideas, just random interesting things from the web. People can discuss links and reply to the ideas. There can be questions, so people can ask questions to the platform and spark interesting debate. And to links and submissions, there's two types of replies: discussions and ideas, per se, right? Discussions are more casual. Yes, something like that. Yeah, almost like that. Very inspired by Hacker News. So ideas are more long form things. Oh, okay, let me check. I've never heard of this. No, this is not what I want. So where was I? Ideas are more formal responses to a link. You can suggest solutions to a problem, for example. It's more long form and formal than comments. It can be voted on, right? And can appear in the front page as a way of user-generated content. For example, it's not regular discussion. It's more of discussion that aspires to spark a discussion about this discussion. It's hard to explain. But I think you guys get the point. It's more formal than a comment, right? A comment is more like, oh, fuck this politician. And an idea is more like, hey, maybe this isn't the right approach. Maybe we should perhaps reduce funding to X project. I don't know. Get it? Comments can be voted on, but they don't appear on front page because they're not really ideas per se, like formal ideas. And yeah, another platform. Yeah. Bullets and summaries. So for news articles, people can submit bullets, right? So they can summarize the content in the article, because not many people like reading a lot. So they can just submit bullets, and people can vote on those bullets and pick which one is actually an accurate TLDR for the article, right? And that way we can foster discussion without having to take up much of your time. So it's going to be focused on news and ideas. So it's not necessarily... it's not like a Reddit per se. It's more like a more thoughtful Reddit. So I'm going to start working on it. It's going to be automatically curated and user curated. Yes, an RSS feed reader, but with more thoughtful content like questions and ideas and responses and whatever. It's going to be very community oriented. I like the community aspect. I think Medium misses that because of being a VC business. They don't have a community that feels warm and inviting. And I'm going to make one. Really, I want a nice content curation engine. And I don't know if it'll work, really. It's a gamble. This type of product is very hard to ship. But I hope it does, because I'll enjoy it. I really enjoy it. I've been wanting an unbiased source of news for a while. And Google News, I don't like Google News. I think it's too boring. Um, um, the interesting thing about InkFeed is that it will be paid, actually. Reading will be free. Alright, so reading will be free. Every feature will be free. Submitting ideas, comments will be free. But paid features would be submissions, dark mode, and a daily digest, right? That way we can keep spam to the minimum, and it's not going to be prohibitively expensive. It's not going to be like a whip chat, you know. It's going to be more like something near $1 a month, right? $12 a year. It's not that bad for a news source. Am I familiar with 4chan? Yes, but this is not 4chan. Alright, I forgot. Features to code. Topics. So it's not going to be whip chat. It's going to be super affordably priced because I just want it to be sustainable, but not, you know, prohibitive, because exclusiveness is the opposite of bringing good discussion, right? And either way, you can comment and post ideas for free, so it's more of a value add than... So it's gonna be like $1 a month, something super cheap, or $12 if you want to pay yearly, which I find pretty reasonable. All right, so I'm gonna work. All right, so the technologies I want to use for it. This is a mock-up of it. It's not very complete, of course. I mean, it's a mock-up, but here you can see the base concepts. For example, comments, ideas, and voting, right? Comments are regular discussion. Ideas are more thought-provoking things that are like maybe perhaps a rebuttal or a different solution to a problem, or maybe an idea for the next generation of the Samsung phone, right? You can also see ideas on the front page, right? A rebuttal to an article, right? For example, somebody disagrees with an article, they can post a nice little rebuttal on InkFeed and cause discussion. Some people will like it, some people won't, some people will comment. It's all going to be idea focused and discussion focused, because it's going to be a really nice place for you to get your daily news and at the same time have some thoughtful discussion. All going to be user curated, nothing too artificial intelligence-ish, nothing too medium-ish, nothing too big, you know. And after all, it's going to have the feel of an indie product, because it will be an indie product. I'm making it out of love, and it's not going to be a VC thing. Get it? Alright, so let's get started. This is the hard part, because I've done nothing code-wise. So it's starting from scratch here. The stack. Yeah, then again, back to the stack. The stack. Next.js. MobX. Yeah, Twitter Moments is like a really low quality version of news. I hate them. It's like... Ugh. And I like Reddit. I like subreddits like World News. So InkFeed will probably have a bot that automatically aggregates top news from the world, right? So it's not empty at first, right? And it will do it daily. So it's not going to be an issue. It's going to have a daily edition from stuff aggregated automatically from around the web. But also user submitted stuff, questions, interesting thought-provoking pieces. It's going to be very interesting. Next.js, Django. Right now, I want to ship. Right now, what I want to do is ship a MVP, which is gonna be hard considering the amount of ideas I have for it. You know what? That should be submitted as an idea to InkFeed, because it's an idea. Get it? On a product that doesn't exist. Anyways, today I had a math test, and I am sad to say that I probably completely failed it. I studied well for the test. The thing is, last night I was too busy making mock-ups for InkFeed that I didn't study that much last night. But I did study. I did study. That's the maker dilemma. School or InkFeed. I love English too. My English class in college is mostly writing essays, which is super interesting. And it's not tests. There's no tests. There's no formal exams. More like just writing assignments, in-class writing assignments. And they're really amazing. Math, I like math, but depends on the instructor. If I have a nice, enthusiastic instructor, I would love math. It's really satisfying. But if I have a very robotic, bad instructor, I really will hate it. So it depends on the person that's teaching it. Even though I'm mostly an autodidact, like, it fills in the gaps. Alright, so Next.js. I really want to learn Next.js because I think it will be great for InkFeed since it's going to be server rendered. So I had a version of OpsBot, which was built on Next. Alright, so I'm gonna go and base it off of that. I think it's actually Makerlog. Oh, it's so hot in here. Tropical island shit. Alright. There. Okay, so I had some stuff here. I had a few specific things that I wanted to take. Bingo, this is it. So I had a setup for MobX, because MobX right now, the MobX support on Next.js is shit. So I made my own little thing to make it work. You don't hate math. What do you mean? Like, to just is it like me that you just depend on the instructor because like the instructor sucks? Well, the class sucks per se. Because we probably have the same opinion. All right, so Next.js. Next.js, MobX. First, let's start the next app. Next 8. Nice. I love this homepage. It's so nice. I think all seat apps are so nice. Docs. Yeah, boring professors are really what ruins math. It's not that maths are bad. It's just the professors are shit sometimes. And that really just ruins everything. Oh yeah, I'm aware. I just haven't tweeted on it. I will tweet sometime. Actually, I haven't added that Twitter account to the InkFeed thing. Oh. Okay. Okay, so it's shitted. Let's see. I gotta talk to Ethan. Makerlog Manybar is like bugging out a lot. Shoot. Let's see. It is really bugging out. So nowadays, all I do is just use the Telegram bot. Actually, I find myself using the Telegram bot on the go more often than I thought I would. Never thought it would be so useful. Let's see. Okay, so ink feed HQ and done. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's restricted. Gotta fix it. Gotta fix it. Fix it. Hey, what's up, Kyle? So I'm starting a Next.js app. I had a setup already for MobX because MobX is so undocumented and painful on Next. You have to do a lot of stuff manually. But I have a setup here that might work. I might actually even just go with Redux. Ew. Context API? What are you? Oh no. Kidding, but like, I don't know. Let's see. Context API store React. Let's see. I don't know, it doesn't feel as good as Redux sometimes. Although I hate Redux, I do admit that it gives a certain type of structure that I like. Even though I hate it. It's a love-hate thing. And MobX also does. It has a nice store architecture. Also, it doesn't feel that coupled to React. MobX is magic. User vision. This is actually kind of interesting. Alright, let's see. I don't know, I just think this feels really coupled to React. I'm not a huge fan. Hey! Welcome! I'm starting a new project. I'm gonna go with MobX, which I already kind of know. Okay, examples with, I'm gonna mute these notifications because I'm getting annoyed. There we go. Let's see, Laco. There's some MobX example somewhere with MobX. There we go. You could use, for praise, you can probably just use JS or Python. Oh, shit! I forgot! Hey! Sorry, I was, Thanks, I forget frequently. Alright. Thank you. 8 days ago. Let's see. Thanks for the sub. You don't need machine learning for praise. It's a very simple algorithm. Machine learning is like overkill. Get initial props for app. App.get initial props. App context. Initial Mavic state. Initial Mavic state is server initial Mavic state, or else initialize store. I'm trying to understand this well, because I had an understanding, but since I haven't used it in a while, I forgot. Is server not process dot browser? This Mavic store is server props initial Mavic state. Initialize store. What is initialize store? Always make a new storage server, otherwise state is shared. Return requests. Yes, and we use cookies to perhaps check authentication, whatever. Now, let's see. I have this done already. What's the next shift? A random picking between probably. You know what? I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it yet. You never know. Okay, so cd inc feed web ls. Now I'm gonna copy exactly the setup I had here with mobx read next mobx wrapper. What was that about? Config.stores. I need to figure out what this did. I completely forgot. Bingo. Okay, so configure enforced actions. Okay, so that's mobx observed. Use static rendering is server. Mobx app. I created something called Mobx app, which initializes everything. Mobx app on server load and is server await config on server load. And where is that config? The thing is, I abstracted away a lot of the stuff to make it look way cleaner. Wanted then mount rehydrate. Oh, my anthems playlist is fire. It is legitimately great. Let's see, this dot init component then mount rehydrate. So rehydrates the store once it mounts. Get initial props. This dot init mobx app. Yes, do that. Where is that config? Oh, stores. Stores auth. Persist. Not persistent in any stores. It's actually a pretty good setup. I'm impressed. Let's see. It's way better than this setup here. You know what? I'm gonna try to just get this to work and okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's get a hello world first. Now, a few things I will need. Oh, shoot. What the fuck? Okay, so yarn, add, mobx react. You know what? Fuck. Okay. What else? Yes, JS would work because it's a web language. Oh shit. Wrong place. I got you. Oh, really? Nice. Welcome. That's the weirdest possible response I can give you. Welcome. Welcome to the family. Where specifically is she from, actually? Oh, okay. Do I have a delay on stream? I don't see a delay. I think barely any frames are being dropped, only 0.6%. It could be a thing on your end. Okay, let me add here. Vendor. And I'm gonna add a few things. Stores. Not there. Index.js. Here I'm gonna add mobx.js. I made my little own framework for mobx support on Next.js. It's pretty simple. It's more of an abstraction of common stuff you might want to do. Stores. Oh, you don't have Twitch Prime, Kerr? Boo! Get Twitch Prime. Buy Twitch Prime! Buy Twitch Prime! Buy Twitch Prime! Buy Twitch Prime! Let's see. Mobx app. Twitch Prime, Twitch Prime, Twitch Prime, Twitch Prime. Nah, I'm just kidding. Don't support Amazon. It's a big oof. Babel plugin root import. For me, it's actually I'm not sure how much I'm paying for Prime. Which is funny considering I don't want to support Amazon. What a jackass. But anyways, I don't know how much I'm paying for Prime because I went on the 6-month student trial and I forgot to cancel. I don't know if it's been more than 6 months or 6 months, but it probably has, and they're probably charging me and I've done nothing about it. So that's that. You made a Chrome extension for Praise? Cool. Wow. My back hurts. Holy shit! Dalton just joined the 50-day club. Nice. I just noticed. So close. 15 more days. 15 more days. Pretty close. Wow, Kyle. Boo. Try the Telegram bot, it's super nice. Oh, you don't have a Telegram? Boo. Yeah, Notion. They haven't released an API yet, so. This should fix it. Now, By the way, Kyle, does Next.js have a hot module reloading? Does it reload modules quick? Because if it does, damn. Damn. Nice. Alright, so oh, okay. It's alright. Index.js. Now, last thing is to hook that thing up. Let's see. Pages, app document. Oh, this is for styled component support. No, you won't do that. And this is for just general. No, that would be the least of my concerns. If WhatsApp opened, that would be the least of my concerns. MobX stores, vendor MobX app, vendor persistence. I made a lot of custom code to abstract away MobX. So this is you'll see a lot of stuff going on. I've actually had quite a few scares. You don't notice it, but I've had quite a few scares of stuff opening on my stream. Messages opening my stream that they shouldn't open on my stream. I've diffused the situations. I think Archer's knows about it, and Ethan, because we joke about it. Messages, stuff to reply to, things to do, tons of shit to do, Okay, let's see. Yeah. That's become a meme. Alright. Super expression must be either null or function, but where am I calling super? At app.js, either null or a function. Wait, what's going on in the chat talking about legal team? What's going on in the chat? Y'all gotta calm down with the legal stuff. Ain't no legal stuff needed. What's going on with legal stuff? Wait a moment. This dot init and okay, and what happened with his repos? Why did you give him your repos? Oh wait, const props equal await return props. I think that makes more sense. Wait, did you buy this? Because that's kind of weird. Oh, cool. A pork one. I actually didn't get it, but sure. Pork up. This is the boring part of starting a project. Getting the stack up and running. After you get the stack up and running, it's much nicer to work on because it's more engaging, right? You can finally output your ideas. The thing about JS projects that I don't like is the fact that every single fucking project has such an amount of bullshit you need to go through to get started doing it. Except maybe you create React app and Vue.js with some stuff. But modern React projects are a pain in the ass. And this is a pain in the ass. Alright, so time to test this out. Test this out. Okay, so I want to make a store. I'm gonna copy the store and make something. I want to make sure server rendering is working as it should because it's kind of important. Hey! I'm getting the stack up and running for InkFeed. Wow. Okay. Why you might be wondering why I'm doing this. I'm trying to test if this works because I haven't used it in a while, and there's a lot of abstraction, so it's hard to know exactly what it's doing. Wow, you just woke up? What time is it over there? Oh wow. You did miss the huge explanation about the project. I did spend like 10 minutes explaining it. Sorry. Yeah, I love it. It's so minimalistic and it blends so well with Chrome. Uh, Chrome Beta, which has dark mode. It's fucking nice. I can't. I don't want to explain again because I'm currently kind of focused on this, so I don't want to lose my focus. But I will explain it later. Not now though. I stream every Friday now. We do need Makerlog stickers. I want to start a sticker sale. The fuck? Damn. Yes, this is SimCity music. My favorite. In like 30 minutes I have to go pick up my dad. He's at the hospital. Getting some tests done. Don't know exactly what, but he is. Nothing wrong with him though. Yeah, I saw. It was pretty cool. I had the hang of how Next.js worked with MobX and store systems, but now I completely forgot. I don't know what's going on. Hey, what's up? Damn, I had to hang up how this worked. Now I don't. It was like a month ago. So let's think about this. All right, so we have a request on the server, right? So we need to initialize the store with data. Perhaps it could be a cookie on the server that has a token, right? So we initiate that store with the token. If there's a cookie set, serialize it, send it through a window variable, and then it gets picked up on the server, which on the client, which rehydrates. Please tell me I have everything right. I think that's the flow. Wow, this is frustrating. Give me a 1 second, please. I need to die in my bed and then come back. I won't sleep. I'm back. So when I got frustrated, my first response is to literally go lay in my bed for a few seconds, come back, and understand the issue. So now I do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and have a full stack look at an overview of the whole thing. This is for CSS. All right. So this is the entry point. This dot init. What does this dot init do? It's checks this out, which is essentially a get initial props. First one in years. Wow, lucky. Mine goes out every day. I'm gonna die. All right, so config.answer reload. Okay, so this loads. Okay, so now I get it. Okay, so it checks this out, which passes a context and a request and whatever. Perfect. And stores. Now the thing is, what does stores do? Okay, now NX. Now, okay, so that's done. Now NX. What happened here? Oh shit, I think I completely forgot to add that. Wow, I'm actually understanding now. I get it. That was obviously the problem. Wow, my bed trick does work. Be right back. I'm actually gonna go get a drink now. Your boy Matang is back. He's right here. Okay, let's see. Let's get shit rolling. Alright, so I want something to be done here. Okay, so the state that should arrive on the page should be Somebody se te olvidaste. Y ahora somos billotes. Store auth is not provided. It's not declared anywhere either. Oh, what a jackass number. Bingo, so it is being rendered. Awesome. Now component did mount. Perfect. So it, okay. Excellent. So I can rehydrate the store, which is a great thing. Okay, great. So I'm gonna make a fake authentication store. So what I'm gonna do is, if you don't strike oil in 20 minutes, stop boring. Andrew Carnegie on public speaking. Lol. That's a great quote. All right. I'm just gonna use the Makerlog authentication as an example here to see if it's working. Make. Oh, by the way, small plug. For all your domain needs, go to porkbun.com/cur to get a 10% off referral code. Get the domain of your dreams, and now coming soon, .dev domains for all your developer needs. So go ahead, buy a domain, and maybe even save a life. porkbun.com/cur. Terms and restrictions apply. No account needed to participate. There is $1 million raffle. Yes. Go ahead. Explain the $1 million raffle. I just set you up. This is segue. Just kidding, folks. There's no $1 million raffle, but porkbun.com is like the lowest, the best place to get your lowest priced domains. I mean, you can get an IO domain like what, $25. That's crazy. That's like $5 less than every other domain site. So go ahead, porkbun.com/cur, support Indie Maker, and get that sweet ass domain. Oh, I almost forgot. Soon, for all Makersub subscribers and fans, free .design domains. So if you want your own your name .design domain, subscribe to Makersub too. You will get a free domain. I mean, what? Free domains? Nobody gives free domains. Except us. We are the best. What's the catch, you may wonder? There is no catch. There's only free domains. You know what's up. There's no catch. Just free domains. porkbun.com/cur. $1 million raffle. You want this and you know it. Go get it. This is your chance to get that sweet ass domain. This is your life. Free domains. Makers up. This is a game of love. There's a game of love. This is a game of love. This is a game of love. And it was you. And it was you. The one that should be breaking my heart. When you decided to walk away. Oh, pink, that's so cool. You decided to walk away. Oh, nice! Congrats on the Twitter following. ETA for landing page for InkFeed. Never. I'm not making a landing page yet. I'm still working on a few other more important things. Soon. Sometime, you know what? Soon. Yeah, sure. I'll make one. We're back. I think the only thing that I don't like about Next.js is the error handling. It's so bad. So we put the clip
on the 24 track, which then was synced to the Moog module. I knew that could be a sound of the future, but I didn't realize how much the impact would be. My name is Giovanni Giorgio, but everybody calls me.
Okay, so I got it working. I did try Brave. I actually use it now on mobile. Oh, wrong camera. I actually now use it on mobile as my main browser. Did I like it for this? Well, no. I didn't like a few things, but I settled on Chrome Beta, which is really nice. I tried Chromium, wasn't a huge fan. This is a problem. It tells me I'm signed in, but I'm not. What's an ink feed? Well, you're gonna know. This is a mock-up from like 2016. I'm gonna fix it. The new mock-up is this. macOS for work is actually super nice. It's super productive. It's my OS of choice because it's super productive. It's mixed between the polish of just Apple polish and Linux because it's a Unix, right? So it's super nice to develop on it. I don't need to be switching from Linux to Windows, for example, right? So it's a Unix operating system. It's very well polished, and Spotlight is cool. That's true. I think the only thing I don't like about it is the window management, but using an app like Magnet, you can make it so nice. See? What's going on? Oh. Yeah, that's bad window management in a nutshell. Yes, very well for mobile. It works super well for mobile since it has native iOS support. It works very well for web development. I've used it for web development for big projects like Makerlog. I'm gonna show it to you. And it's my OS of choice because it's so productive for web. It's amazing. I can't recommend it enough. It's really nice. Macs are just productive machines, very productive machines. Except for the battery life sometimes, which is sometimes it's ass. But aside from everything, aside from that, it's pretty cool. No, it did. I'm on Chrome Beta. I just used the typical install. Thank you. Yes, 2,000 users, quite a few hundred daily. No, I'm not using Chrome Canary, I'm using Chrome Beta. Check it out. Oh, it's Chrome Dev. Yeah, Chrome Dev, actually. But it's not Canary, it's Dev. How have I done the publicity? I haven't. I've just been myself. Nothing too special. It's pretty much before a faster beta, but not really Canary. Yeah, you actually get a normal version, but it's actually install it. You'll notice. Install it. Just install it. I am self-taught. I just learned. I haven't really received any help. Can't figure this out. Yes, I am using Django as a backend. That's the best job description ever. User experience. Well, I don't have links right now, but I could possibly make a Twitter thread about it. Follow me on Twitter. Yeah, Magnet is freaking amazing. Magnet is awesome. Adobe, I use Adobe Illustrator for banners and whatnot, and for mockups I just use Figma. Figma is great. Phone scammers. I just told them to never call me again and to fuck off. I'm really getting pissed. They're calling me like 5 times a day. Jeez. I just feel like fucking wasting their time. Jesus fuck. 5 times a day. That's crazy. just give up. Like, just give up. Give up. I don't get it. Why is it doing that? I'm getting pissed off. I don't know why this is happening. Yeah, that's a great idea actually. I should do that. Call me in the morning. Scammers are alarm clocks. The dark mode is amazing. Hey. I really don't get why this is happening. Damn. There we go. Fixed it. Well, folks, I'm gonna go because I need to do some stuff. I need to pick up my dad. He's at the doctor at the hospital. I need to go pick him up. So I'm gonna go. But first, I'm gonna explain InkFeed real quick. InkFeed is the hub for ideas. That's it. I'm gonna pitch it later. I'm probably gonna be streaming tomorrow, working on InkFeed. So see you guys, and this is the mock-up so far. So you can kind of understand the concept, especially the ideas concept, which is a big part of this whole thing. And if you really want to know, you can probably just rewind the stream and find out. It's at the beginning of the stream where I explained it heavily with Notion pages. But yeah, I'm gonna go, so see you.